In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up the Splitit integration gateway in Shopify. We're going to walk through the full setup process using Chrome, starting with finding the app in the native Shopify App Store, then installing it, connecting your approved merchant credentials, activating the payment method in your Shopify settings, and finally turning on the installment payment widgets inside your store theme so customers can actually see the option on your storefront. To begin, open Google Chrome and sign in to your Shopify admin. Once you're inside your dashboard, go to the Shopify App Store and search for the Splitit Integration Gateway asset. Make sure you're selecting the official listing inside the native Shopify App Store so you're working with the correct integration. This is important because using the proper app helps ensure compatibility with your checkout and payment configuration. When you found the app, open the listing and begin the installation. Shopify will guide you through the usual app install permissions, so review those and continue. After the app is installed, you'll be prompted to enter your approved active Splitit API merchant login identity keys. Use the credentials provided for your active merchant account and carefully paste them into the required fields. It's always a good idea to double check for any extra spaces or formatting issues before saving, since even a small typo can prevent the connection from working properly. After the credentials have been entered and saved, the next step is to activate the payment method from within Shopify. In your Shopify admin, go to Settings, then Payments, and look for alternative payment methods. Inside that section, locate the Splitit option and activate the backend toggle. This step is what allows the integration to become available as part of your payment setup, so don't skip it. If you don't see the option immediately, give the app a moment to sync and then refresh the page. Once the backend activation is complete, the final part of the setup is enabling the visual installment payment option widgets in your store theme design properties. This controls the on-site messaging your customers will see, such as installment-related information displayed on product pages or other relevant areas of your storefront. Open your theme customization or design settings, find the Splitit widget controls, and enable the installment payment option widgets wherever your theme supports them. After that, your setup is complete. At this point, the integration is connected, the payment method is activated, and the visual widgets are turned on so customers can clearly see the installment option while shopping. As a final check, preview your storefront